Hello there, my name is Ada. I have learned how to smile. Let's learn some more adverbs with examples from the book Discover English. First, let's look at these two pictures.
The first image, titled Morning Birds, shows birds singing happily, suggesting a lively start to the day. In contrast, the second image, Sunset Birds, depicts birds chirping quietly as the light fades slowly, creating a serene evening scene.
Let's focus on adverbs we have learned in these two examples. In first image, morning birds. The birds sing happily. The birds are very active. In second image, sunset birds. The birds chirp quietly. The light fades slowly.